ayan na nga, nandito na tayo sa Tongyang. Ito kan. Magandang upo. Ganun po. Ganun ma'am. Ayun. Dito tayo sa Tongyang. Alright. Eat all you can. Anong mga pagkain dito mga Korean? Jo? Hindi ako marunong kumain ng Tongyang. Ha? Ano ba dito kumain? Ibig sabihin luluto tayo dito? Okay.
Okay, wait lang.
Ayun guys, so, may seafood sila. At saka may ice cream. Ice cream guys. Ayan, mga sari-saring pagkain dito. May luto na rin. May luto na rin. Ayan. Ayan, kain tayo guys. Ang Freddy TV nasa Tongyang. Ayan. May mga dessert pa sila. Ayan, dessert guys. Ayan. Pinatamis. Halo-halo. Ayan guys. So mas masarap dito yung mga seafoods. Mas paborito ko. Saka may mga vegetables din sila. Ayan guys. Ayan, pagkain ng mga dahon-dahon. Ayan. Pwede tayo magtinula dito guys. So let's begin and start to cooking. Okay. Cooking guys. Ayan. So let's do it. Alright guys. Guys, nilutan na natin yung kinuha natin na mga mikos-mikos na mga seafood. Ayan guys, yung pang
Yummy, 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 so sweet. Every single bite is a tasty treat. Yummy, 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 can't get enough. Delicious and fun, it's the good stuff. Yummy, 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 in my tummy. Yummy, 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 in my tummy. Yummy, 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 it's so sweet. Every single bite is a tasty treat. Yummy, 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 can't get enough. Delicious and fun, it's the good stuff. Yummy, 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 in my tummy.
Sasawa ka dito sa pagkain guys. Ayan pa yung susunod, second batch. So happy eating.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear, and my birthday to you. We're here to celebrate, it's your special day.